begin to whimper. Blossoms whisper secrets tender. Rays of light kiss buds to splendor. Art bursts forth in bright surrender. Colors weave a velvet riot. Dreams unfold where roots are quiet. Petals shout, the winds deny it. Ruling wild in artful diet. Oh, the flowers sing tonight, dancing soft in moonlit light. Canvas earth a masterpiece. Blooming hearts will never cease. Brushstrokes bow to nature's calling. Every bloom a story sprawling. On this stage the scent enthralling. Each one rising, none are falling. Oh, the flowers sing tonight, dancing soft in moonlit light. Canvas earth a masterpiece. Blooming hearts will never cease. Through the storm their strength is showing. In the dark their soul is glowing. Creation in each seed is growing. Timeless art forever flowing. Oh, the flowers sing tonight, dancing soft in moonlit light. Canvas earth a masterpiece. Blooming hearts will never cease. Through the storm their strength is showing. In the dark their soul is glowing. Creation in each seed is growing. Timeless art forever flowing. Looking back on the moments we made, every laugh, every smile in the shade. Time's a thief, but the memories stay. Every sunset a promise of another day. Chasing dreams in the summer heat. Barefoot hearts dancing in the street. Echoes linger in the wind so sweet. Every heartbeat a reminder we were free. These are the best days of our lives. We'll dance under starry skies. Every breath, every felt so right. Youthful minds shining bright. We were living for the endless nights. Time was slow, we're moving fast, making moments meant to last. We'll turn our stories into gold, looking back when we're gray and old. These are the best days of our lives. We'll dance under starry skies. Every breath, every sight, carving memories into the night. These are the best days of our lives. We'll dance under starry skies. Every breath, every sight, carving memories into the night. Painted skies begin to whimper. Blossoms whisper secrets tender. Rays of light kiss buds to splendor. Art bursts forth in bright surrender. Colors weave a velvet ride. Dreams unfold where roots are quiet. Petals shout, the winds deny it. Ruling wild in artful diet. Oh, the flowers sing tonight, dancing soft in moonlit light. Canvas earth a masterpiece. Blooming hearts will never cease. Brushstrokes bow to nature's calling. Every bloom a story sprawling. On this stage the scent enthralling. Each one rising, none are falling. Oh, the flowers sing tonight, dancing soft in moonlit light. Canvas earth a masterpiece. Blooming hearts will never cease. Through the storm, their strength is showing. In the dark, their soul is glowing. Creation in each seed is growing. Timeless art forever flowing. Oh, the flowers sing tonight, dancing soft in moonlit light.
Okay, it's the next day and I'm gonna go ahead and demold these. I have to say, I've already peeked and they did not come out how I would like them to, but I do like the fronts, so I'm gonna use the fronts. I'm gonna go ahead and just sand these down, and then I'm gonna give them a top coat, and then I will cover the backs with corks. So that's what we're looking like. They're just globs on the back. So I think I didn't wait long enough for my white to heat up, so it sank too quickly. But I think these look really pretty, so I'm gonna go ahead, cover the back with some painter's tape. And then I'm going to top coat them with 1-to-1 epoxy so that there's no sharp edges. There you go. So it's not so apparent. Just do that. Just add a little more there. So there you go. Tape off the back, and I'm just going to show you one. You need to see me do all these. So I'm just okay. Just peel that off and a little more tape there. Okay, look at that. Let's see if we can line that up just right. Just want to right to the edge there. And it goes over just a tiny little bit, so I'll just do that, and then I'm gonna cut off any excess that has gone over. Okay, so here are the final coasters. I took them out and just used my little file block to file each of them. So that's one. And then they're all the same on the back with the cork. It's number 2. Considering they didn't come out how I wanted them to come out, I am happy with how they actually came out. Even though it wasn't a proper bloom, I do like how they look, and I hope you like them too. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.